Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and as we all know that in the first half of the Monday we do not see much movement on Forex market, but GBPJPY is very strong right now. In my previous video I clearly mentioned that we do not have a proper picture on GBPJPY because it was standing at this particular portion of the market, and I clearly told you that if GBPJPY breaks the level, goes up from here, then the picture will change. And right now we can see that the currency pair did not go down, rather it is so strong right now that it is going up from here. And one thing that I would like to show you in this video that I didn't show you in my video on Saturday is a bullish flag pattern. This is the weekly chart of GBPJPY, and you can see that market has successfully crossed the line above, and this is a very good bullish flag pattern on GBPJPY. Right now it is standing at 153.57 level, and I can see a target of 156. Yes, I can see a target of 156 easily on GBPJPY, and this can be a big trade for everyone. But just keep in mind, my dear friends, this is a chart, this is a pattern on the weekly chart, therefore there will be volatility as well. So if you are new to trading, if you are a beginner, then I'll suggest you to avoid trading, because see, if there is a movement of a retracement of 50-60 pips, then obviously your account will be in trouble. So if you are a beginner, you can avoid GBPJPY, but those who are trading for a long term, those who understand the market very well, for them I can see that they can use this opportunity to make some good money, because we can see a proper bullish flag pattern on GBPJPY chart. And if you look at the 4 hours chart of GBPJPY here, then see, apart from this level right now, we do not have any proper strong support or resistance level. 149.50 still remains the most strong level on the market, but the current market price is far away. So what should be a strategy? If you want to go for buy, then you can go for buy at the retracement level. So your first retracement level can be this level or this level. If market bounces, or if market comes down to 153.20 level and bounces, yes, bouncing is also essential, because maybe there is a trend reversal, and if you take a buy position at trend reversal, you will be trapped and you will be in loss. So if market bounces from 153.20 level, then you can go for buy. And on the other hand, if market comes down to 153 level, observe the market. If market bounces from 153 level again, if you see a hammer pattern, if you see a bullish engulfing pattern at these levels, then you can go for buy, because you will get the confirmation that yes, market is going for retracement. And if you are familiar with Fibonacci retracement level, you can also use Fibonacci to determine the retracement levels and make use of it. Whatever it is, if you are a trader, if you want to use this opportunity, the bullish flag pattern, you can use it. But if you're a beginner, if you do not understand these things, just avoid it. And my dear friends, I have recently launched the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best analysis, the upcoming opportunities in the market. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.